we, we didn't pay attention at that time. No,
Yeah, if it's been...
this one or 2 years.
Yeah, that's going to be quite a hive. Put a light on the subject here. It's a whole nother piece of wood, it looks like. I guess I'll try to frame up. There's some bee bread. Like here's just a tiny, tiny bit of brood. That might be viable. Is that somebody hatching? I might check that. There's robbing going on. There's a little bit of brood, but nothing. Wait. Yeah, no, that's bee bread. Okay, there's some jelly. May still be a queen in here. You see that little tiny bit of royal jelly there. Brood. So I got to take that sill plate off because they're up to the bottom of that window. All right, I got the hive up there.